recording.
Oh, no, it was.
Woo! Yeah, should we start? Hey.
Wait, we should go
That's it. Hey.
Go, Ariana!
Yeah. Say hello.
Take one.
Yes! Yes! Get up! Yeah.
Left.
Watch us.
Yeah.
Good try, Ames. Good try.
Good try. Get it back.
Side out, girls. You got it.
Come on, guys.
Let's go.
Get covering. Get it up. Do we have like a scoreboard?
Yeah. Yes. Good hands. Yes. Net. Yeah, net.
Are we on the net?
Yeah, we were on the net. No, because we're not serving.
Ah, never mind.
We got this! Because we were on the net. We just called it late. We were on the net. It was late call. Yeah. Because net.
We were on net. Net move, we get called.
For real.
Yay!
I thought it Serve it up, Layla! Serve it up! Yes! Let's call the ball! Free! Yes!
Guys,
Good try, girl.
help her out!
Let's call it, girls! Call it!
Let's go,
Let's go! You got this!
Get it up!
Oh, good try.
Good try!
Good, Layla!
Get it back!
Reset! Let's go, girls.
Say!
Yeah.
Let's go!
In!
Good try!
Tori, you're good! Good idea!
Yeah, girl, you look like a posh little girl.
Call the ball!
Yeah, you get that.
Get in! Yes! Good pass, Violet!
Ready to get back?
Yes! Boom!
That's really sad when only two people do it.
Good job, Ames. Good job, Ames.
Oh, yeah.
Good passes.
Yes, my king. Is it my king?
Yeah, Arena! Yes! Yes! Good serve! Roll. It's in. Yes!
I wanted the ace tier so bad.
We're in! Yes, Violet! Side up! Let's go! Yes! Good pass!
Yes!
Yeah, wait, no, we were on the net. We were on the net.
We weren't. She didn't call it.
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
Daisy was on the net. She didn't call it. Okay. I swear she went. She went.
She's trying to tap that ass.
I'm gonna cut that part.
Just make it muted.
No. We got this! Let's call the ball! We need some. Oh. No, nothing.
Well, then I can't repeat it.
Yeah,
because-
she was on the net.
Yeah. We know that.
Yeah.
Yes!
I know. Yes, Violet! Yes! Yes!
That was on the ground. Guys, hold the ball. It was on the ground.
Did you see them strap Annabelle?
Huh?
They strapped Annabelle.
They went. Yeah. The camera got that.
Strapped them down.
Oh, hey, wait a second.
Let's go, Daisy!
That it should.
Yes!
Good try!
Right, reset, girls. Get the ball back. One nice pass. Let's go, girls.
Get it up! Balls up. Balls up. I
Up,
got it.
up.
Like it?
Yes, Ace, good job. Yes.
Good try! Move on, move on!
They're good.
That's how they have jerseys, because they played over the summer.
Girl, we've been over this.
Oh, that's what
It's in.
Yeah, up.
Yes, way to be there! Yeah!
Let's go, get it back.
I'm telling you, I'm guaranteeing it. For next year, guaranteeing.
Like from us?
Yes.
Good try, girls.
Good try, come on, get it back.
So we're good.
But like, you know, when sometimes
I'm sorry?
Yes, finally! Finally!
My birth control.
let's call the ball.
Oh! Let's go, girls! Yes, Ace!
Wait,
Got the
serve
center.
it up, Annabelle, serve it up! I'm gonna have no voice. I got it.
Yes! Play, play!
Yeah! Yeah!
Good pass! You're in!
Yes! I thought you said that's my mom.
Got the Annabelle!
I was like, what? Ow. Ow.
Yes! That was a good pass.
Yes!
Now came the rain, yeah,
Go ahead, Mel, you got this. It's a hit. She never free balls it. Kira will never free ball. Kira will never free ball unless she's like,
I know, and I love that. Yes, Annabelle!
yes! Awesome.
Yes, Annabella!
I'm so proud of you, sweetie. I'm so proud.
So, girls. That's in. Is that
Good try.
Was she in the court?
No, it was above her head.
No, why was she in the
Oh, but don't worry.
Okay, get it back.
Next one.
Are those holes or is that?
You're good. You're good.
Get it back.
Reset, girls. Reset.
Are those holes or are those black papers? Black spots. I've never been able to tell. Come on, finish the play.
Okay. Yes, coach.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's in. That would have been out.
Okay. Way to be there. Right.
Block, block. Yes. Let's go, girls. Use it.
Lucky guys, keep it going.
Got the
Serve it up, Ariana. Serve it up. Woo! Guys, why am I starting these?
What?
Why am I starting these? Let's get organized.
Let's get going.
Boom! Good try!
Good try. Good idea.
That's okay. We'll get the next one. You're gonna hear me in the
Got
background.
this, girls.
We got this, ladies. Let's go.
Up.
Big pass!
Yes, I smelled like my homies at school. Yes!
Who got a little stinker slip? Arena.
You're representing Arena.
This is my flag.
Yes!
Woo!
Awesome.
Right?
scrimmage is not that serious though, so don't kill yourself.
Yeah, no. But like one time we were at this gym and it had like a doorway in between gyms. I don't know why. It was like a doorway in the wall. Like, it was,
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ainsley, put it here. Yeah, put it here. Put it here. Yeah, let's go. Hey.
Serve it up, Marina! Serve it up! Woo! Go, Rita!
Let's go, Riri. You're so far over.
Oh, toe touches. Good try.
Arena.
That was good timing.
Yeah, up, get up!
Oh shit, I don't know.
Okay, yeah. Did it!
What?
Go for it! Keep it up! So I guess the school's good at baseball. Only things they have are baseball related.
The school?
Yeah.
No, they have like nothing on their wall.
It's all baseball.
Well, it's a brand new school. Like, it's not old.
No, it's like.
Well, back then it was when I was like 4. I used to do soccer here when I was like 4.
They might not just hang them. Like,
Yeah,
not all
maybe.
schools hang them.
Yeah, no, this one doesn't have a lot of space to either because
Yeah,
they
that's
have the
true.
vents on each side and the windows.
Yeah.
It's a fire hazard apparently now. It's like schools
My
are like
elementary
supposed to.
school is
care.
covered.
My school doesn't care either. They're more covered in
Dancing!
my school
Good try, good try.
and baseball. Oh,
We got this, Bolts! Reset! Reset!
guys, I keep seeing.
It's on! Yes! Hustle, hustle!
Good try. Uh-oh. Get it back, ladies. Okay, guys, as we can see, we need to dive for everything. Move your feet. Let's go. We got this. Big for this. Let's go.
Alright, we're not gonna say that on video, babe.
Oh, it's on the video anyways.
Okay, I'm deleting that.
Let's go.
Yes!
Why are we thinking on her? She's like 4'2". Why are we?
Yeah, like
Guys,
No, because they went. They went.
she's 6'7".
I
She's
said, why are
6'7". She's 6'7".
She's literally 6'7".
We're about to hold pinkies.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Why are you running?
Get it back!
We got this!
Yeah. I didn't say it was a tool.
Let's go!
Let's go, girls!
Yes!
In. That's also in. I got with the hitting, bro.
Yes!
Flap. In.
Yes!
Yes.
Let's go, girls!
Middle. In. Out. Guys.
That was so good.
Serve it up! Let's go, Daisy!
Oh yeah, Bev. Strut your stuff.
I love how she's just inside.
She's an icon, okay?
She's literally a diva.
Right.
That was a good hit. That was a really good hit.
I aspire to do that.
No, that was a good hit. I'm gonna give that to them.
That's why I said I aspire to do that.
Yeah, no period. You got this, girls. Push.
Oh yeah, but they do have a connection because they played together all summer.
Yeah, that's true. We literally